I found this in one of these hard drives and it has a bunch of gold pins and some monolithic capacitors on the back, so that's a nice little extra piece for the gold recovery guys. So there's a negligible amount of copper, which is this here, so I'm not even gonna weigh it because it's not gonna give me anything. Alright, so how much aluminum? So we have the aluminum left. Let's see. So we have 1.9 ounces of aluminum at 50 cents. So 6 cents about of aluminum. So let's see if we completely take everything apart. So by separating everything apart, we end up getting about 33 cents. So I don't know if it's super worth it to go through the hassle of taking everything apart, just because you only gain about 2.5 cents. So unlike the bigger hard drive, I think it ended up being a crazy amount when you split everything up, because the platters were heavy. It was a lot more of aluminum. There was just a lot more in them. These laptop ones, there was barely any weight internally, for example platters and everything. So I would say, compared to the bigger hard drives, the 325s, I would just remove the board from these and send in the hard drives and the board separately, because you get 30.5 cents doing it that way. Going through the hassle of unscrewing everything, and like you see the platter just shattered just trying to remove it. So you can get cut with that. So I just don't see it being worth it to take the next step just to get about 3 cents. Even if you get 10 cents for the magnets, I just don't find it's worth it. Compared to the other bigger hard drives, we were at 80 cents.